Brittany, and you are in the kitchen with me. I'm going to be cooking up a vegan meatloaf, yeah, and a little bit of sides. This recipe came from the Virtual Vegan. All right, where do I begin? A half a cup of red, a half a cup of green, and by the time I cook it, it'll double in size, and then I'll mix it all together. It'll be weird. It'll be fine. It'll work out. So I got the water boiling over here, so I'm going to just dump that. Bam. Wow. Wait, I had this on simmer. Brittany. So while the lentils are cooking for about 20 to 25 minutes, I'm gonna start on my potatoes. Wait, are you supposed to put the potatoes in with the boiling water? Because now I'm going through a problem where I'm gonna get splashed by hot boiling water with these potatoes. Oh my God. Ugh. I still don't even have the lentils boiling. Man, this cooking show is sucking. Easy open, lift flap, squeeze, corners, fold, and tear along. I highly doubt that. I'm gonna have to bring out the big gun. Oh, okay. Just put the gravy in. So this is gonna simmer on a very, very, very low heat. This I is for this one, sim. Stands for simmer. Coolio. So now we can. What was that? We are going to start the vegan meatloaf process. It calls for 1 small onion. Okay, I cannot, with these nails, I swear to you, it's like, I am like actually having real tears right now. Put that in there. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's figure out how to use this bad boy. Oh, let's start with low first. Maybe the blade's not on properly. Let's try it again. Looks like mama's gotta do some chopping. Gotta get the job done, so. We are gonna hand mix this because I have no intentions of cutting onions. Ready to rock and roll. Like it's like liquefying. Ah, shoot. Oh. It's gonna be a good day. Still gonna be a good day. I overcooked the lentils. It's a little soupy. It's okay. It's nothing we can't fix. It's just nothing we can't fix. It's gonna be fixed. It's okay. Man, I am really messing up in this kitchen. So I'm gonna continue chopping up the mushrooms even more, to finally chop them to add to my liquefied onions. Look at this mess I'm making. This is not a big mixing bowl. I need this one. All right, so now let's put our liquefied onions in, who are definitely not finely chopped. And I need walnuts. Oh my God, my nuts. Oh, ooh, and the garlic. How many cloves? 2. So this is what it looks like right as of right now. We've got the walnuts, the onions, the liquefied onions, and my mushrooms. And I know I need some more stuff in here, so let's speed up. 4 tablespoons of flaxseed. 2, was it tablespoons or teaspoons? Tablespoons. There we go. It wasn't that much in there. Trust me. My soupy lentils. 1 cup of red and 1 cup of green. I got the onions, the garlic, the lentils, the mushrooms, the walnuts, the ground flaxseed. Still need the breadcrumbs. And 4, I have a brown rice flour. Put a cup in here. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Oh, that was pretty. 1 tablespoon of some salt we got going on here. Teaspoon of pepper. I'm doing it, whatever the hell. And then 2 teaspoons of dried thyme. And I'm actually gonna add some more ingredients because I just thought that was a little bland. Eyeball this at this point. Make sure that's thyme. Yeah, that's thyme. And I'm going to add cumin. Give it a little more of a meatier flavor. Now it smells pretty good. A little bit of a kick. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. I'm gonna add some paprika. some sage. Bam! Ugh. We have our mixture all in bowl, ready to be mixed. I actually might have to mix this with my hand. It actually doesn't look too bad. This is what we got so far, very loafy. Lots of big onions throughout. I guess I'll just start getting this in the pan. There we go. Throw it in there. You know, what if this turns out to be like bomb or bomb? It is time to put it in the oven for 375 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. I'm going to start on my garlic mashed potatoes. And I don't have the little mashy thingy. My milk. Lots of butter. Add in some salt. This is like an arm workout. My arm is gonna be like super strong after this. I'm like, oh well, girl, I didn't go to the gym. I go and do mashed potatoes. This is thick. How I did my kale was, it's organic, so it came with the stem. So all I did was just take the leaf and then just rip the spine off. Put all of my kale in here, mix around with the butter. The mashed potatoes are done, the loaf is in the oven, and the kale is cooking. I'm gonna start cleaning up, and don't forget that I have that gravy still simmering. This is what we have right now. This is what I'm working with. So my loaf is almost complete, and my gravy, my kale, and my mashed potatoes, they're all done. As you see, I put them in containers because I am washing dishes. Okay, so for this tomato sauce, I just used tomato paste. It was a little bitter, so I did cut it with some agave. Obviously salt. A little paprika, and some black pepper, and a little bit of oregano. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. It's not too bad. So back in, I'll probably put this in for like another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so my meatloaf is almost ready, and I should be taking it out right about now, but let me just share something with you guys really quickly. Oh my God, hot. I need wine because this was one heck of a cooking day. Now this meal is gonna be complete. Please be good. Please be somewhat edible. If not, at least I got mashed potatoes and kale. How do I get this out of here? Hot. It's not a bad taste, it's just very bland. It's not enough of something and too much of something else. It's not bad. It's not bad. And then the tomato sauce on top actually helps because it is very dry on top and it's still a little moist in the center. So I'm actually gonna just go ahead and start plating my meal. Okay, and bam. There you go. It completely just broke apart. Maybe I can put it back together. Careful. Oh man, it's a little dry. Be quick, one. I'm gonna drink this first. Actually, it's not bad. I would have added way more mushroom. Definitely would have added a little bit of shredded carrot, some celery. Maybe instead of lentils, I probably would have used farro, which is a more grittier type grain. Not bad though. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night and cheers.